cut off there. Welcome back to tutorial 11. This is video 6, part 6, and we had just basically, up until now, we've declared our interface, defined our class, we've defined our constructor, defined our connection to the host method, defined our connection to the database method, defined our create table method, we've instantiated the class, we've created an instance of the class, and we've called, using our object, we've called the connection method. We've also called the database method, and the database method has called the create table method, and our table is being created. And when we run it, what we get is this. So these parts here, where it's saying host is set to localhost, user is set to root, password is set to Gary 1987, database is set to test, table is set to cool table. That's all our constructor, just building up the object and setting the properties values. This bit here is obviously our connection function. Connection to the host was successful. We then run our select database method, which establishes a connection to the database and also calls the create table method, but it's actually coming up failed to create table this time. So just see what's wrong there. So we'll check that if that table has been created or not. So we'll go to localhost PHP myadmin, if it ever loads, and we'll sign in. With our test database. Cool table has been created, so cool table's there. So have I done something wrong here? Let's see. So select everything from this table. That looks fine. Interesting. Let's see what is printing out as that. Query this MySQL2. Select everything. I've got the query wrong. It should be select everything from. Okay. Yep, and now it's recognising that the table was created. So that's fine, that's working now. So we started off saying that declaring 6 methods in our interface. Our class implemented the interface, so we had 6 methods that we had to define in our class, and so far we've defined 3 of them, so we're about halfway. So we've defined the create table method, so I suppose logic would dictate that the next method to define is our delete table method. So let's just check that we're doing that. So in this method, we need to start off by detecting if the table that we want to delete exists. So what we'll do here is we will say that this deleted table is equal to delete table, and I'll set that up here. So we'll say private deleted table, and we'll say MySQL3, because the third MySQL query is select everything from this deleted table, and we'll say that MySQL query 3 is equal to MySQL query, and then we'll pass in what our query was, which was, oh, it should be different. That should be this MySQL 3, and this should be this MySQL query 3, and that should be this MySQL query 3. Okay, and we'll go up here and we'll make sure they're set. So we'll need to put in the second values as well. We've got 3 queries now. Let's save that. And then we'll say that if empty this MySQL query 3, then it means that the table exists. So no, it means it doesn't exist. So the table you want to delete exists, and we'll append that with a line break. The table you want to delete, and we'll put the name of the table in as well, just for completion, which is going to be this deleted table, and then we're going to put else the table you want to delete doesn't exist. Okay, that should be doesn't exist. Does not exist. Can check how we're doing for time. Yeah, we'll probably end that there and come back in part 7. Okay, see you in part 7.